Falling asleep on a standard bed can be hard enough already, but falling asleep on the ground in the great outdoors can be nearly impossible for some. While a quality sleeping bag is at the top of most people's packing lists when heading out into the wilderness, the real unsung hero of any outdoor adventure is the sleeping pad. While sleeping bags provide warmth, sleeping pads provide comfort. There are many products available to choose from best backpacking sleeping pads, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best backpacking sleeping pads from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Thermorest Neo Air's Ultralight Sleeping Pad. Known as the best sleeping pad for camping, the Thermorest Neo Air's Therm is a 4-season inflatable sleeping pad that is ideal for colder temperatures and boasts an impressive 5.7 hour value. The bag comes in 2 sizes. Its smaller size weighs only 15 ounces and measures 72x20, while the larger size measures 77x25 and weighs 20 ounces. Among the best self-inflating sleeping pad options, it can inflate to 2.5 in less than 2 minutes. Radiant heat is trapped due to the reflective thermocapture technology, and the tapered design reduces weight but won't compromise on warmth. If you're heading to the backcountry, the Thermorest Neo Air's Therm is one of the best investments you can make. Number 2. Plymouth Statically Lightweight Sleeping Pad. On a budget, the Plymouth Statically Lightweight Sleeping Pad is the best sleeping pad for the money. The 75D polyester material helps to minimize weight while still allowing resistance to abrasions, punctures, and tears. The laminate is antimicrobial, so it inhibits microorganism growth that can damage the material and cause odors. It only has an R value of 1.3, but when you're camping in the warmer months, the V-shaped design makes it comfortable no matter what position you sleep in. If you're looking for the best sleeping pad for side sleepers, be sure to check it out. It also has side rails to keep you centered on the pad and prevent air movement. This pad weighs 18.1 ounces and packs down to 8x3, so it won't take up much space in your backpack. You'll be pleasantly surprised by how much you appreciate this sleeping pad on your next adventure. Number 3. Nemo Switchback Foam Sleeping Pad. The classic closed-cell foam sleeping pad has been redefined into the perfection that is the Nemo Switchback Foam Sleeping Pad. This design delivers greater plushness, better comfort, and more thickness than other products in this category. The hexagonal nodes and dual-density atomic foam ideally combine to make one of the most supportive pads on the market. The taller nodes trap more warmth around your body because they create more space for uncompressed sleeping bag insulation. Thanks to its durability, it's known as one of the best hiking sleeping pad choices. Its comfort and durability make it an ideal choice whether you're hiking the Great Ocean Walk or taking advantage of the lovely day hikes while camping in Big Sur. Number 4. Sea to Summit Comfort Plus SL Sleeping Pad. This 4-season sleeping bag will be your new favorite travel accessory. The Sea to Summit Comfort Plus SL mat lets you camp in luxury with its lush 3 thickness. The 30D stretch knit fabric is embossed with a non-slip grip print to keep you and your sleeping bag comfortably on the pad. Its Delta Core technology maximizes comfort and thickness while reducing bulk. Keep in mind that it is on the heavier side, with the regular size weighing 1 pound 15 ounces and the large size weighing 2 pounds 8 ounces. But if you're really looking to be comfortable while camping, then this is the answer. They've also engineered a convenient one-way inflation valve to fight against the mat reinflating when you're trying to pack it up. Thanks to the Sea to Summit Comfort Plus SL mat, the search is now over for the best camping sleeping pad. Number 5. Thermorest Neo Air's Lite Ultralight Sleeping Pad. Offering maximum warmth for the weight and an R value of 3.2, the Thermorest Neo Air's Lite is among the best cold weather sleeping pad choices on the market. Weighing in at only 16 ounces, this air mattress has been designed for use on backcountry adventures and alpine escapes. The pad traps radiant heat thanks to its reflective thermocapture technology, and the no-slip fabric helps sleeping bags stay in place. Its triangular core matrix baffle construction offers increased stability and minimizes heat loss. The pad is 2.5 inches thick and can be manually inflated in less than 2 minutes. ThermaRest produces this amazing pad in 3 different sizes: 20x47, 20x72, and 25x77. This pad can pack down to the size of a 1-liter water bottle, which makes it one of the best compact sleeping pad options. You might be surprised how well you sleep with the Thermorest Neo Air's Lite. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.